Hi everyone, and welcome back to another simple tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how you can easily open a Revolut business account. So if you are a business owner or entrepreneur looking for a modern and efficient way to manage your companies, Finances will walk you through the process of opening a business account, making your financial management smoother than ever. It's really easy. To open a Revolut account, the first step is to open any web browser on our device. I'm on my iPhone, so I'll open Safari, but you can open any web browser that you like. On the browser, go over to google.com and then type Revolut Business Account. We'll get a couple of search results in here, and the link that we need to open is this first one. I'll leave the website link in the video description so you can open it from there. It will open their official website that looks like this. Let's start creating our business account. You want to click on this Join Now button, and it's going to take us to this page where we can select what type of account we want to create. We have an option for a corporate account, freelancer account, or this Join a Company from Invitation option. Since we are creating a business Revolut account, we will select the first option, which is to create a corporate account. The next step is to select the country where your corporation is located. I will select the United States from this list. Once we select our country, tap on the button, and we'll go to the next step from here. It's going to ask us for an email address. You want to enter your email address. Then they're going to send a verification link in your mail, so go through the process and verify your email address so they know you are not some bot or other. Once we verify our email address, we will get to the next page where we have to enter the details about our business and some other stuff. When we enter, the details will have to wait a couple of days until they confirm our account. And that's essentially how you can easily create a Revolut business account. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.